So we're making the bracket for the other side. I had two of these, they were cut in the middle, so I just welded it together and cut the rest off. Went well actually. So that's basically the mirror of the other side. We cleaned everything, dialed it in. Should be alright. As good as it could be. Yeah, should be square. So let's weld it up, and we need to the bottom as well. Let's weld it up, then mill the features here, and should be good to go. So we welded it up. Just got a clamp in the middle to make sure it's cooling down the right way. Not pretty, but strong. Yeah, we need to machine the slots. We need to machine the slots here, and then it goes on the other side. It goes here, and the same thing goes on the other side as well. So we set up in the middle. It's a bit of a weird setup, well, because the overarm is not supported, so we had to put some clamps on. Yeah, should be all clear. Give it a try, see how it looks like. We need to mill some slots here and here, like on the other one, like here. So we're done. 2 slots. I didn't film the milling because it's boring. It was a non-center cutting mill, so I had to work my way in. But it's the biggest I had, which fits in that chuck, because I wanted to as little as possible stick out here. And yeah, we did quite some aggressive cuts here. Bit of deburring, and we drilled the holes and fitted. So we milled some recess here just to make sure we clear off the round thing. I will make the other side a bit smaller, so we have enough clearance here. Alright, another one done. So we drilled the holes with our bargain drill. It's a slow speed drill, it's got real power. It's easy to drill big holes with that machine. So hopefully it will fit. We'll see it in a minute. So we got everything fitted. Looks good so far. And that's our thingy. I need to drill these holes and then that. And yeah, alignment looks okay so far. We need to tilt the roller a bit. Belt is running out, but looks good so far. Okay, that's the other side. We just dialed it in. It's less than 100 of a millimeter. I'm happy with that. So we're going to do exactly the same as on the other side. Just get rid of that tooth stuff here. Skim the outside. Make that 85 millimeters for our big bearing. We don't need a bearing here. There's a recess on the other side. We need to check what the diameter is and find the bearing which fits. This one is yeah, 85. I think it's 28 width. Get rid of that one. Job done. Should be an easy one. Alright, that's that. So we just cleaned up the tone wheel, and we're just taking a skim pass over that, make it about 95, and doing well. The WNMT from Jonah, doing really well. sorry for the noise, but it's an old machine. The back here is pretty noisy on the load. I'm drawing about 1.5 kilowatts. So there will be an interrupted cut soon because there is there's a hole holding up a little bit, but doing alright. I don't know if it's visible. There's a hole. Pressing the coupling off. Alright, let's do that and we'll come back when we do the features. So just finishing off the skimming pass here, and looks alright. So it's quite warm. So we need to machine the 85mm for the bearing, exactly the same as the other side, and then we're done with this one. Again, I need to check what bearing is, but I'm not sure what the shaft size is I'm going to use, so I'll leave that alone. I just need to get that bearing set so I can make some other parts. We're not going to do that today. It's late, dinner time. Carry on tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time.